Hi, it's Miss Angela here, and today what we're going to do is practice some of our sounds, practice a couple sight words, and do some reading of Oops, I See a Cat. So, some of the sounds that we're going to need to sound out the words in this book are k, like cat. You can say it right after I say it, okay? Ready? I'll go. My turn. K, like cat. Your turn. Okay. Another sound we'll need. My turn. Aw, like octopus. Your turn. Very good. Next sound we're going to need for this book is ah, like apple. Your turn. Nice. Next one we'll need is d, like dog. Your turn. Next one we'll need is g, like goat. Your turn. And the next one we'll need is like monkey. Your turn. Okay. And the next one we need is oh, like leaf. Your turn. Next one we need is like hat. Your turn. Nice job. And the last one we're going to need is t, like tiger. Your turn. Okay, very good. So now we've reviewed our sounds, and there's going to be two sight words we're going to find in this book. So remember, sight words, we can't always sound them out with the sounds we know. Sometimes we can, sometimes they're a little tricky. So it's better for us to learn them by looking at them. Okay, so one of them is see. Can you say this word with me? Ready? See. Your turn. Nice. And that's like, I can see you. Next one is on. Can you say that with me? On. Now your turn. Say it by yourself. Okay, this is like on, like there's a pencil on the table. On. Okay? Those are your two sight words you're going to need for this book. See, on, and we're going to get started. So, this is a book called Oops, I See a Cat. All right, what we'll do is I will read the lines and you will read them after me, okay? So you'll repeat after me. So how about we'll start with the title. My turn. Oops, I see a cat. Your turn. Very good. And let's just take a look at the cover here. What do you notice on the cover? You can say what you see down here, what's here, what looks like to be here. Okay, maybe we see a dog. Did you notice the dog? We see a ham, a type of meat, a ham. A log is a piece of a tree when a tree is cut down. There's a bone there. And they're all on top of a mat. And you might notice that there's a person there too. Okay, let's get started. Okay, one more time. I'll say it, then you say it. Oops, I see a cat. Your turn. Great job. Okay. I'm going to get a little closer so I can really point and really show you these words. Okay, take a look at this page. And my turn. I see a mat. Your turn. Great. And there it is. There's the dog's mat right there. Next page. Okay, my turn. I see a log on a mat. Your turn. Great. My turn. I see a dog on a log on a mat. Your turn. Great job. And we can see here, there is the dog on a log on a mat. Okay. Next over here, I'll read first. I see a ham on a dog on a log on a mat. Your turn. I see a ham. Oops, I'm doing it for you. You do the rest. On a dog, on a log, on a mat. Okay, great job. I'll really let you do this one. Okay, my turn. I see a hat on a ham on a dog on a log on a mat. Okay, your turn. Great job. Okay. This is a really silly book. I don't think I told you that already, but it's pretty weird. Pretty funny. It says here, oops, your turn. And then it says here, I see a cat. Your turn. And do you see the cat here? There's the cat. And here's the person. And looking at the dog with the ham and the hat on the log on the mat. Oh my goodness, I wonder what's going to happen. The next page just says, oops. Your turn. Oh my goodness, what happened here? It looks like the hat and the ham rolled off of the head of the dog, and maybe the dog is slipping a little bit off the log, and the cat looks very pleased with himself. Okay, let's see. I see a dog and a cat. Okay, your turn. And we see, oh, the dog looks kind of scared. The cat looks a little bit like, I don't know, bullying the dog or something like that. And they're standing on that dog's mat. Okay. Last page. I see a cat on a mat. Your turn. Okay. The cat is on the dog's mat. Oh man, and that poor little dog is over here. Has to sleep here now. Okay. Wow, we finished that book. You read that whole thing. So we will keep working on that and those sounds in our class, and this is a way for you to practice it at home, okay? Thanks so much, and I'll see you in our next class. Bye.